artists who are Jamaican Canadian, who are, of course, are well known, because Jamaicans are always making sure they're well known. They're always, around the world, making sure that someone knows who they are. Some of the people, the first name that comes to my mind actually is Debbie Young. She is an amazing dub poet, actress, playwright, etc. etc. Her list goes on, but she's doing a lot of amazing things. She's Jamaican Canadian, of course. And another person that comes to mind in terms of the dub poetry realm would be Lillian Allen. She is a pioneer and amazing, prolific writer. Another person in terms of writing that comes to my mind is Afua Cooper. She is an amazing woman and very powerful speaker. And she also wrote the book about Angelique's hanging in Montreal, which is it's very it's a very important book for Canadian literature and American, African, world history literature because she helped tell stories that weren't told by anyone else, right? And that's a Canadian Black history story. So that's a Jamaican Canadian wrote that. Another person that comes to my mind is Georgia Fullerton, Fullerton, Georgia Fullerton. I believe that's how she says her name. And if I'm saying it wrong, I'm sorry, but just know I'm a fan of your work. She is an amazing painter. I had the opportunity to be in 2 shows with her. Another person that comes to my mind as a performer who's traveling a lot is a young lady who I call the Diva Poet. Her name is Melissa Dean, aka BKA the Mad Poet, and she is an amazing dub poet. I had the chance to perform with her in Jamaica, and I never seen people ask for a poem to be pulled up. So pulling up is starting the poem all over again because they wanted to catch everything that they were saying. And I never seen that happen except for when she performed. Like they were like, no, you have to start it all over again. Pull it up, reel it up. So Melissa Dean, aka BKA, the Mad Poet. Another person that comes to my mind as an artist is Zoya Taylor, and she is a very amazing artist as well. And ironically, the first people that come into my mind are women, not only because I love women, but I feel like Jamaican women are just really they're real trendsetters and real trailblazers. So there are a lot of Jamaican Canadian women who are doing a lot of great things, but also a lot of Jamaican Canadian men, even though not a lot of them come to my mind right now. But yeah, those are some of the people as Jamaican Canadians who are doing things on a worldwide scale.